Good morning everyone. Now we are going to start the third experiment in Digital Electronic Circuits Laboratory. The name of this experiment is Realization of Half Adder, Half Subtractor, Full Adder, Full Subtractor using Universal Logic Gates. So the Universal Logic Gates are nothing but the NAND and the NOR logic. So by using these NAND and NOR logic gates, we are going to construct the adders and subtractors, which are the basic combinational circuits. So you know what is meant by the combinational circuits. So what is meant by combinational circuits is it depends only upon the present inputs. Okay, it will not depend upon any past outputs. So first we will discuss what is half adder and how we are going to construct using this logic gates. So adder means, here half adder means we only consider two inputs. We don't consider here any carry input. So without considering any carry input, we can use this half adder. Okay. So for half adder, what are the outputs? Sum and carry are the outputs. So first we will write the truth table of this half adder. So here we have two inputs. That's why we have how many combinations? We have 4 combinations. Those are 0, 0, 0, 1, 1, 0 and 1, 1. So for that 4 combinations, we are going to check the sum and the carry. So we all know that 0 plus 0 is nothing but sum is 0 and carry is 0. If we add 0 plus 1, we know that sum is 1 and carry is 0. If we add 1 plus 0, that is sum 1 and carry 0. Whenever we are going to add 2 ones, then we'll get sum 0 and carry 1. Clear? So from this truth table, we are going to construct K-map for both the output sum and carry. So first we will see the sum output. So for sum, in which positions we have 1, we need to check that. See here, when A is 0, B is 1 and A is 1, B is 0, the sum output is 1. So first draw that in that K map, and if we observe these two ones, these are non-prime implicants, these are independent to each other. So you need to take that both ones. So finally you can write sum is equal to A bar B plus AB bar. So that is nothing but the XOR gate between A and B. And then coming to the carry output. Similarly, if we see the truth table, here where 1 is present, we need to check that condition. Here 1 is present when A and B are 1. So coming to the carry, only one implicant is there, one non-prime implicant is there. So we will have to write carry is equal to AB combination. So if we observe finally in half adder, sum is nothing but A XOR B, carry is nothing but AB. So now we are going to construct the combinational circuit. Actually we have to use universal logic gates, but what is the disadvantage is, for disadvantage, if you want to construct the full adder and full subtractor using the universal logic gates, we need 12 to 14 NAND gates. If we are going to construct these 12 NAND gates in a breadboard, what is the disadvantage is the short circuit will undergo and will not get the output accurately. That's why we are using basic logic gates, not the basic logic gates, but we are constructing using XOR and OR, like that we are using, and we are constructing this combinational circuits, adder and subtractor. Then, so diagrammatically we will draw like this. So if we observe in our kit, see here, I think so. You have done second experiment in the kit in our laboratory. So it will be you know that how it will look like the kit, how it will look like. You everyone know. So here the logic inputs will be present, and here output indicators will be present. Here inputs are A and B, outputs are sum and carry. So A and B inputs we will be giving from here inputs. Here inputs A and B, here inputs will be giving to. In the kits we have the XOR gates and the AND gates. Directly you need to give the two inputs to the XOR gate and the AND gate, and finally the output sum and the carry we are going to give in the logic out. So here in the full adder we have 3 inputs and 2 outputs. Okay, now see here, if we add 3 inputs, 0 plus 0 plus 0, like that, 1 plus 1 plus 1. So everyone, I think each and everyone know this full adder because we have studied in our class, right? So what we have to do now is we need to observe the ones in the sum, where ones are present in the which combination, in which combination, A, B, C input, in which combinations the sum and the carry are ones. We need to check that conditions, and then first of all we need to write a truth table of this full adder. Then in the half adder, like in the half adder, we need to write the K-map for these outputs sum and carry also in the full adder. So if we observe here in the sum, all the ones are non-prime implicant, that is all are independent. So no pairing is done, no quads, no octets, no not everything. Only single ones we need to take, and each and every combinations we are taking as individual and then summing up. Okay. So like that, if you sum all these things, finally we'll get here, we can directly write this expression as A exclusive B exclusive C. Okay. So if we observe this, we can say that for an adder circuit, the exclusive OR between the number of inputs. If we see the half adder, we are having A exclusive B. 2 inputs are there, that's why A exclusive B. Like that here full adder, 3 inputs we are taking. So here we are having the exclusive of 3 inputs, A, B and carry input, like that. Next, if we see the K-map for carry output. So here if you see the ones which are placed in the truth table, there, from there you need to write the ones in that. So here there are prime implicants, right? So pairs, we are having how many pairs here? We are having here 3 pairs. So you need to write all those things here. Finally we'll get a carry is AC plus AB plus BC. Okay, so for full adder we have to write sum is equal to A exclusive or B exclusive or C. Carry is equal to AB plus BC plus CA. So diagrammatically we will represent this as like this. Diagrammatically we will represent like this. Okay. So first we will see the sum output, that is nothing but A exclusive or B, and again we need to exclusive OR with carry input. Finally we'll get A exclusive or B exclusive or C input. Then again we are coming to carry. So see here carry AB plus BC plus CA. Actually you all know that we can have AB plus BC plus CA, but in our kit we won't have 3 XOR, means we have to sum up 3 OR gates, right? But we don't have that condition in that our kit. That's why we are doing, what we are doing is we are summing up 2 AND gates, and then finally the OR gate output again we are summing work with this AND gate output. Clear everyone? So finally we will construct this in the kit. We'll give the connections in that kit, and then we'll check the output accordingly with respect to the truth table. Like that, we need to check half adder and full adder. We give the connections in the kit, and then directly we need to check the output according to that of the truth table. Next, we'll discuss the half subtractor and full subtractor. Okay,